Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Honor phone, identify model and MUI level so you know available multitasking features. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and mobile data. Keep Bluetooth off unless you need a headset. Next, open settings and go straight to apps and battery. Make sure the calling app has background activity and network permissions. This prevents the system from pausing internet during a call. Now position the phone and any headset. You're ready to begin the first live steps. Place or receive the call, then act quickly. Tap the three dots or recent apps and choose split screen to open your browser or app alongside the dialer. If split screen isn't stable on your Honor model, enable the floating window for the browser. This keeps the call active while you browse. Alternatively, enable Wi-Fi calling to maintain data over Wi-Fi during voice. Make sure battery saver is off and background data is allowed so the system won't suspend the internet session. Wrap up by finishing your browsing or sharing content, then end the call from the dialer so apps return to normal. If the internet disconnects during a call, quickly toggle airplane mode off and on to reset radios, then reconnect Wi-Fi or mobile data. This often restores both voice and data. If problems persist, update the phone, clear the affected app's cache, or switch to a wired or Bluetooth headset. These steps resolve common interruptions caused by power management or app conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.